What's up guys, welcome to a new video. It's pretty late tonight, but we're going to try to do a couple of things on the car. Maybe push some stuff. So there were some really good comments in yesterday's video. A lot of you guys were suggesting that we kind of gigged ourselves by attaching the passenger side, or the driver's side. Yeah, the driver's side shock tower before we really tried to get the transmission mounts in, which, yeah, probably. And this dude also would be good to have off. Actually, I think having both of the mounting points to where the jig connects to the strut tower, having both of those off will probably give us enough give to actually connect to the transmission mount under the car. So we're gonna try to do that first thing and see what else maybe lines up or doesn't. But yeah, thank you guys. Those were some like really dank comments. We appreciate them a lot.
Why didn't we think of this?
Huh?
Why didn't we think of this?
It was late, dude. We were tired and stuff wasn't working. We might not be totally Jimmy John'd here.
They're lining up.
Yeah, I'm trying to put them in slow. Alright. So, all 4 transmission bolts fit in and are tightened down, which is pretty cool. We have the Speedo cable bracket guy bolted up as well. The brake booster, the bolts that we used on the other chassis didn't go through. They were too big, which was weird. But instead we used 2 other bolts to kind of stake the bracket plate guy in place. So luckily from all that, we know that the firewall is good.
Yes.
But you can see very clearly that the shock towers are very not good.
It's back and in for sure. Not that that's a surprise, but now at least we've got stuff bolted up so we can see the difference. And this one, we haven't looked at yet, but it's probably not right either.
Yeah, this dip is not supposed to be here. This is bent a bit. It shouldn't be like that.
And so when this is fitted, the bar is down quite a ways here. This one's not nearly as hosed as the other one. It just looks like somehow it kind of submarined a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, like we have a point of reference now, and it's so much better than what we were thinking was going on last night. Actually, we just didn't know what was going on last night. This is not right. It's back. It's, yeah.
That's gnarly.
It's up.
Gnarly.
I think she kind of came the other driver.
Yeah, I think it was kind of.
I don't even know if it was she who, whatever. But
we have pictures. We'll put them in.
Of the you have crash pictures.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think they came from this way, and so you know that makes sense. That's why we've got the damage back here on the firewall, and you can the bumps that are in this frame rail make sense. But our buddy Seth and some others have said try to straighten this stuff out while it's on here before we take it out, and I think that's really good advice, and now that we can even see what we're doing, it's probably worth a go.
Yeah. Shall we?
Yep.
I guess.
We don't know what we're doing, but we can try to do it anyway.
I guess we're gonna try to use the porta power.
So watch this guy to see if it's moving.
Is that guy moving?
Oh, I can't tell. I was all excited.
Tell that either, man.
Okay, hold this here.
Whoa.
Fuck. That moved a bit, didn't it?
Now that we've made a little bit of movement, Samsquanch is tightening up the driver's side strut tower. He's doing his best to tighten up the driver's side strut tower. We're hoping that doing this will make it so that the driver's side strut tower area won't move, because it'll be tied into everything else now. Samsquanch is pretty convinced that when we were using the porta power, we were just bending the driver's side shock tower outward, and I think I'd agree with him. So he's come up with this idea to basically sandwich the car in the shop to try to keep the shock towers from moving. Now we've got an 8-foot pressure treated 4x4 in between the car and the shop. Samsquanch is in his shop right now. He's cutting another piece of lumber.
Oh, fuck. Stuff is changing.
We tried bending it at a 45-degree angle, and it kind of just flattened out the strut tower a little bit, and it didn't move much. So,
Yeah, big.
things seem straighter. This frame rail is like less twisted. That's nice. All right, we're gonna try one more pull. One more pull. One more push. Yes.
All we can really do apparently is push.
Holy shit. Holy shit. That is moving a lot. Alright, so we started pushing just above, or just below the shock mounts on the towers. And with the driver's side connected to the jig, the passenger side is moving pretty freely.
Holy shit, why is this working?
What?
Let's put some bolts in, eh? Nah, let's not. It doesn't matter. We just need to see that it lines up.
What the heck?
Physics. Not yet. I'm trying to see what else I can move. Yeah, you could totally get them all in there.
It is lined up.
Like that's on the paint line right there, so we'd have to push it just a little bit more. I fucking might as well.
Oh, go a little more and it will be on. Stop. What the heck? Wow. It fits. Wow.
So, you know what else is really weird? This totally does not look crooked anymore.
It fixed itself?
Uh-huh. You know what? Probably because
we pushed on it.
We pushed against this. We're pushing.
We're pushing against everything.
Because this shoved totally, that back.
Yeah, so we just made like a massive Skyline.
That's pretty
wild.
It is. Here's the bad part, but I think we should do this. It's gonna spring back when I release this for sure.
Of course.
But let's see what happens, and I think we should push it again once it's reset.
Man, totally missed that.
back. So I think, why don't we just go ahead and push it well beyond that?
Yeah, we'll push it a bit past.
Like, we probably need to go like a half an inch. I bet you that's as far as it went. Down, right?
Yeah, it's just like the way it moves is so weird.
Let's stretch it again.
Yeah.
Super scary.
It was very scary.
Yeah, look at how it's separated the metal all around here.
Yeah, it's really messing up this shock tower, but it is also scooching everything back. Like, I mean, we're moved quite a bit further than we were 5 minutes ago.
It's really
It's
very
almost
close to fitting,
and it's the pressure's not on it very much.
The pressure
right?
is almost completely off.
That's great.
I just pushed it very far.
You pushed it far.
Okay, so now I'm going to try to release it.
Okay, do you want me to hold the two?
I'm not going to let it all the way off. Why don't you just tell me when we're like, when we shrink back too far?
Yeah, you're not going to shrink back too far. Hey, you shrunk back a little too far.
Okay, well, let's do it one more go and we'll just call it good.
Okay.
God help you if you don't do this and think this is the way, man. We're
This is not
guessing.
Yeah, this is a bad idea.
And
What you're watching right now, this is bad. Don't do this.
I'm gonna start letting tension out.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Let's let it fall and see what we got. It's still would need to go some more.
It's still a little gigged, but it's close. It's a lot closer than it was. Okay,
This is it.
the bar. Yeah, this is the last. This is the last push we told ourselves we were gonna do.
We're gonna be all done.
We're gonna be done after this.
Stop tempting fate.
Yep. This is really like the thing. What we're looking at here is really impressive compared to what we started with. Yeah, it's almost
there. No, it's just there.
It's lined up. Yeah, dude, we got it. Holy shit,
dude! Look at the marks are on the marks.
Man. There you go, guys.
There's the inside marks, the outside marks, and
those are lined up, bolted in. This guy's lined up and bolted in. Those guys could be bolted in, but they aren't.
Yeah.
And the transmission mount back there is fully tightened down. Dude, we got it. We got it on.
Yeah, I feel like I stole something.
We got it on. Damn. We almost quit. Like an hour ago.
We did quit.
Yeah, we were totally gonna set the camera down.
We unquit.
Then we unquit. Holy crap. Heck yeah, dude. Nice.
It's kind of amazing.
I'm in awe. Wow.
It's there.
Yeah, it's there. It's totally there. This is pretty wild. That's sick, man. Thank you for all the help.
Yeah. We're just fumbling our way through it, man.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's probably gonna live.
I'm gonna go buy a lottery ticket.
Yep. Wow.
Okay.
Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm probably not gonna make a video tomorrow because I've been making a lot of them. But in the next one,
yeah,
I think we're gonna start tearing stuff apart, like for real. Then
I ordered the bits, so
you ordered. Oh, thank you for doing that.
Yeah.
Appreciate
I
it.
kept forgetting.
wouldn't have thought about it until the day of.
Yeah,
and then
I'll be here Thursday, which is the right day.
Thanks, man. Shit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I kind of got nothing to say. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the helpful and nice comments. And
yes.
Yeah.
It's a huge help.
Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Where we tear things apart.
Yep.